Hello everyone, this is Naman Goyal. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. It was a great experience consulting with Grad-Dreams, especially for their IELTS coaching. Priya ma'am, who teaches IELTS, is the best English teacher I have ever came through. Since all my classes were remote, she made sure that I didn't miss on any classroom experience. Her sessions were quite interactive and fun-loving, and especially her material was top-notch. The only piece of advice in her to excel in her classes is that follow everything that she says or recommends. I scored an overall band of 7 in just 21 days by following the schedule made by Priya ma'am. I would recommend anyone preparing for IELTS exam to follow the Priya ma'am's coaching. Overall, the services provided by Grad-Dreams was worth every penny. Thank you and all the best for your future endeavors.